Welcome! In front of me I have CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. You can find the watch face you would like to use and tap on it to select it and apply it. Another way to change the watch face is to do it through the settings. So you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, tap on settings icon. Here you can tap on dial settings and it will open the watch face menu. You can find the watch face you like, tap on it to select it and apply it. And of course you can also use the phone application to change the watch face. To do it, we need to open the CMF Watch application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And so this is the phone my watch is paired with, so we can open the app. In the app, we can tap on device icon right here, and you should see your CMF Watch Pro right here on the device page. Now you can tap on more, then tap on mine, and here we have the list of watch faces installed on our watch, and we can find one we want to apply and then tap on change watch face, and it's gonna change the watch face. Also you can download more watch faces, so basically you can tap on recommended in the dial gallery, tap on one of the watch faces and tap on download and use, and tap on yes, and it's gonna basically download the watch face and apply it on your watch. And here we have it. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.